Layer 2 Ethereum scaling project Polygon is taking the crypto world by storm. Billionaire Mark Cuban is an investor, and at its May peak, the price of Matic, the native token of Polygon, climbed about 10,000% year to date, according to Messari data. Joining us now to discuss is Sandeep Nailwal, co-founder and chief operations officer of Polygon. Welcome to the show, Sandeep. So, Polygon is an India-based project, the largest one in the country, launching Polygon Studios is your latest announcement to focus on growing blockchain gaming and NFTs, such as Aavegotchi, Decentraland, Skyweaver, and NFT marketplace OpenSea. Tell us a bit about what you guys are doing, and maybe if you could explain in simple terms, I know you've done it before, what Polygon is.
Yeah. So basically, Polygon is we call it like an Ethereum scaling solution. So basically, our thesis is that Ethereum is going to be the ultimate settlement layer for all this decentralized finance and decentralized business logic execution. And to scale that, we are building some people call it layer 2. There are nuances to it, but for simplicity, consider it layer 2. So, we are building this suite of solutions where you can build multiple such, layer 2 chains on top of it, which enterprises can use, which games can use, and decentralized finance can use, and everything. And as of today, most of the decentralized finance space, barring one or two blue chip projects, I think everyone is on Polygon today. And then the net TVL over there is like somewhere around $7 to $10 billion. It has come down because of the market fluctuations. So the thing is that the ecosystem is looking for scale, right? I mean, Ethereum, the gas fees become so high that large number of small time users are priced out. So the community is looking for scale, and Polygon is providing that scale on top of Ethereum.
So just quickly on the blockchain gaming and NFT angle. So I'd be interested to zoom out because it seems like that's kind of one of the hotter blockchain trends of the summer. And I'm curious why you think that is. With gaming, a lot of people talked about how it really blew up during COVID because everyone was like inside. But I'm just curious why you think now we're seeing so much activity in the sort of blockchain gaming space.
So with blockchain gaming, I think gaming has been touted as one of the first, breakout use cases of blockchain. But unfortunately, the scale was not available till now, as I was just mentioning about Polygon. So incidentally, Polygon is the, kind of the leading solution in that. And, large number of these games and NFT use cases use Polygon. Then the reason being that now only the ecosystem is reaching that scale, first of all, that it can cater to a large number of users. Secondly, some of these, especially in the gaming, why you see a lot of vibrancy around gaming is that recently few games have finally been able to prove the business model on crypto. Like it is, we call it in the industry play to earn model, right? So that model has been proven, and Axie Infinity has been the leader in that. And with them and their overall metrics skyrocketing, every VC wants to find the next Axie Infinity. And similarly with NFTs, we all know that what kind of crazy prices NFTs have achieved. And this NFT is, we all believe that this NFT is basically going to be the gateway to bring masses into blockchain, right? So whether it's through these art NFTs or these celebrity NFTs or these collectibles, memorabilia, or it is about the gaming, NFTs. And we strongly believe that this gaming industry, which is so big, like very few people understand that even in US, it is bigger than, Hollywood, NBA, and NHL and multiple other entertainment industries combined. So this is such a big industry, and with this blockchain, NFT and play to earn model and various other models that are coming in, they are going to disrupt the business models within the gaming industry, and hence everybody is very psyched about it.
Hi, Sandeep. The Modi government, of course, not the biggest fans of crypto. Do you think they'll start to come down hard on gaming and NFTs? As there are, particularly those on the blockchain. Do you think that there might be some kind of regulatory action from the Modi government?
Yeah, the main thing is that Indian government, even though they are very anti to the speculation side of it, but the fact of the matter is that till today, and I am connected to everyone and anyone in the Indian ecosystem space, and there are so many applications coming out over there. I think it's considers one of a kind of a major share in the world. New projects coming out, and till now, I have not found even a single project, including us, which has been interfered by the government. They only
So,
interfere where there is a retail buying and selling of crypto, and we are not like involved with that. And but again, like as you said, that nobody can predict the future. So that's why, like Polygon, for example, has been one of the first projects which has fully kind of decentralized its location, and then we have like multiple. Now our larger workforce is in the US, Belgrade, Europe, various parts of Southeast Asia. So the team is fully decentralized, and it's not a Indian, it's an Indian origin project, but now it's a fairly global project. Yeah.
but nonetheless, you're very keyed in on what's going on in India. So what's happening now with the crypto bill that's working its way through the parliament? Is it on hold for now, given the current weather situation? Do you know anything about what is it being tabled?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Yeah, so as per my understanding, that kind of that sensational news that came out that everything is going to be banned and all that, that anyways was kind of a proposal, and that has been rejected overall by the government. And government is now taking, like, they are involving more and more stakeholders to understand the market. So I mean, the last information I have from my close sources is that the government agencies, special task force teams have been created and have been asked to kind of go through it in a very deeper detail and not rule it out as something small. And I think with this, like Elon Musk purchasing Bitcoin, and many of these US big companies putting Bitcoin and on their balance sheet and all that, has kind of jolted them up, that thinking that, okay, this is not some small scale phenomena, this can be the future of finance in the coming decade or so. So I think they now are much more, I think, pragmatic, and want to take a very kind of a light touch approach. Is what I feel. But of course, there will be pain on the retail community, buying and selling and speculation parts. But I don't feel that they're going to, be against any kind of innovation in the space.
Just quick, sort of more technical question. Some people in the crypto community say that Polygon isn't actually layer 2, but is more of a side chain. I'm just curious how you would address that critique or talking point.
Yeah. I mean, there are few people who still kind of, because the reason for that is that Polygon evolved from Matic Network, right? So previously it was called Matic Network, and Matic Network was creating one kind of layer 2 solution where the two solutions that it offers, the largely more used protocol is not the layer 2. It's a proof of stake. It's not side chain, we call it commit chain. But some of the, like, critics who got a lot of market share moving into Polygon, and some of the competitor projects definitely say that. But the point being that Polygon, as I just mentioned, just said, that Polygon is a multi-chain solution now. So we have this particular commit chain which offers two solutions: Plasma, which is layer 2, and then side proof of stake chain, which can be somewhere between layer 2 and a side chain. That's why it's called commit chain. Then we recently launched our data availability chain, which is going to enable layer 2s to be more scalable. We are eventually going to launch like zero knowledge rollups and optimistic rollups, which are quite big, kind of the holy grail in terms of the layer 2 solutions. So these are, like, still the people who still kind of, I'm just brushing aside the competitors and all that, but the people who still feel this is sidechain, they are still considering Polygon and labeling Polygon as the first solution which is live on Polygon. But they are not seeing that Polygon is not a single solution; it's a suite of solutions.
Sandeep, I'm wondering.
Yeah, and it contains multiple sidechain solutions. It contains many layer 2 solutions also. Yeah.
Sandeep, just one last question before we wrap up. But Mark Cuban is one of your investors, and just a few weeks ago, Iron Titanium token
their algorithm and then became live again. And I think they again have $500 million in their TVL. Right. So it feels like the Iron Bank scenario was especially not a, kind of a scam or rug pull scenario that they say these days, which is very popular in the space where developers, have some sort of wrong logic and all that. And we, like, Polygon is a decentralized chain, just like Ethereum. Vitalik can't do anything about all the, rug pulls or scams that happen on Ethereum. We also can't do anything about it. But the point being, especially for Iron Bank, I think they have come up with some revived algorithm, and then people are still trusting it. I don't know. I have no opinion on that because I've not really delved deep into their model. But it has been the story of this DeFi summer. It has been the story that many of these stable coins come up. It's not the first one. It won't be certainly the last one. There's so many stable coins, they come up with these algorithms, and none of those really has worked till now.